Welcome to the final module. Here, I'll teach you how to create your winning ad strategies. When you create a strategy, think of it as creating a coordinated portfolio of ad campaigns working together towards a common objective, whether that be maximizing profits or maybe increasing product visibility. Unlike most PPC softwares that treat campaigns independently, the collaborative approach of campaigns working together is what makes Astra so powerful. Each campaign Astra creates shares data with one another, so they can work together to maximize results. In the Intro to Strategies video in Module 2, I go into this more in depth in case you need a refresher. Now that we're ready to start creating your strategies, let's get right into it. We'll start by creating a sponsored product ad strategy. Sponsored product ads are the most commonly used of the 3 ad types on Amazon, and are arguably the most powerful. If you're not familiar with what a sponsored product ad looks like on Amazon, they appear on Amazon search result pages and relevant product detail pages, making them ideal for increasing product sales and attracting traffic. First thing to do is to choose a name for your ad strategy. Name it in whatever way makes the most sense, but if you're unsure, I always recommend naming your strategy after the product you're advertising, or to choose a category if you're including multiple products. I'll name mine after my shoe cleaner kit product. Now it's time to select your custom algorithm. Based on the business goal you're trying to achieve through your strategy, you can select a custom algorithm type to power Astra's AI, enabling Astra to create and optimize your strategy accordingly. Depending on your business goal, choose the appropriate algorithm type. The first type is the constant fixed bid algorithm. The goal of this algorithm is to generate initial traction and collect data. This algorithm is best for new products with no historical data or products selling fewer than 5 units a week. Here, you'll set an average suggested bid for the algorithm to follow. Although the constant bid algorithm follows this average bid, it will still optimize individual keyword bids up and down based on what converts better. On an aggregate level, however, the algorithm will still make sure these bid adjustments average to whatever bid you inputted. When choosing your average bid, you'll want to set it high enough to generate adequate clicks and impressions to gather data. For example, you might set a higher bid than the category average, say $1.50. Once the algorithm has enough data to use, you'll be able to switch to the monthly budget management or the ACoS optimization algorithms, which are more tailored towards optimizing for sales and profit versus data collection. Now, although not recommended, you don't have to switch over to these other algorithms. If you're trying to optimize your ACoS or ROAS using the constant bid algorithm, you can still do so by simply decreasing your average bid over time, say every 3 to 4 days, and optimize to achieve your desired ACoS that way. This is definitely a more manual approach, but it can be appealing for those that like a bit more control. Note, I would decrease your bids gradually, not in large quantities. Finally, you can set a daily budget for your strategy if you'd like. Note, even if you've just started using Astra, it will still sync with your historical data, regardless of whether your previous campaigns are outside of our platform. So if you already have products with enough historical ad sales data and you've spent on ads before, you could skip the constant bid strategy altogether and move directly to the monthly budget or ACoS algorithms if you choose to do so. Once you've hit around 5 to 10 ad sales a week collectively across the products in your constant bid strategy, we recommend switching over to either the monthly budget or the ACoS algorithms. The monthly budget algorithm optimizes for sales and ACoS within a set budget. It's important to note, this algorithm's primary constraint is your set budget. So only if you're meeting your budget goals will it then optimize ACoS and sales. It's perfect for defined marketing budgets and increasing sales volume. Simply set your monthly budget and you're good to go. For example, I might set a monthly budget of $1,500, which averages to $50 a day. Finally, the ACoS Target Algorithm. Again, once you've hit around 5 to 10 ad sales a week for your product, you can choose to select the ACoS algorithm. This algorithm optimizes your strategy towards a specific ACoS goal. If you're optimizing for profit, this is a great algorithm type to choose. Start by inputting an ACoS target close to where you currently stand, and adjust your ACoS target gradually, reducing it by 3 to 5% every few days until you reach your desired goal. For instance, if your product's current ACoS is 60%, consider setting the initial target to 57%. And then after a few days, once your strategy's ACoS has normalized to 57%, reduce it to 53%, and so on. Note, this algorithm will not work well if you set an initial ACoS target that's too low relative to where you currently stand. If your current ACoS is at 60% and you set an initial target at 25%, the algorithm won't optimize to its best ability. Make sure to reduce your ACoS target gradually every few days until you reach your desired goal. Now that we've run through the algorithm types, to finish your strategy, simply select the ASINs you want to advertise. When selecting products, you can also add your product groups to quickly add your selected group of products at once, which we learned about in video 6 of Module 2. Once you're done, click Create Strategy and you're off. Now that you know how to create and optimize winning sponsored product strategies, let's quickly review how to tell which algorithm type is for you. Constant fixed bid algorithm is best for new products with no sales history or those selling less than 5 units per week. The focus of this algorithm is to gather initial data for Astra to learn from. It works by setting an average suggested bid and budget for your strategy to follow. And pro tip, start with a slightly higher bid than your category average to gain traction. We recommend switching to one of the other two algorithm types once you've collected enough data. But you can also choose to optimize your strategy with this algorithm type by manually decreasing the average bid over time until you reach a desired ACoS if you choose to do so. The monthly budget algorithm is best for scaling existing products with a collective 5 to 10 weekly ad sales. The focus is to increase sales volume while staying within a set budget. It works by optimizing for sales and ACoS given a monthly budget goal. Note, it will only optimize for sales and ACoS if you're on track to hit your monthly budget goals. It's ideal for defined marketing budgets and for scaling. Finally, the ACoS Target Algorithm. It's best for maximizing profit for products with at least 5 to 10 weekly ad orders. The focus is driving profitability through achieving a specific ACoS goal. It works by optimizing your strategy to reach your target ACoS over time. And pro tip, adjust your target ACoS gradually. Don't jump from a high ACoS to a very low one. Decrease your target by 3 to 5% every few days for optimal results, and do this until you reach your desired ACoS goal. Remember, Astra can sync with your historical data even if you've created campaigns outside the platform. So if your products already have ad sales history, meaning Astra has data to work with, you can choose any of these 3 algorithm types from the get-go. Now, you're equipped to choose the perfect algorithm and launch your winning sponsored product strategy. In the next video, I'll show you how to create tactics, focus strategies, and brand defense strategies for sponsored product ad types. These specialized strategies help you achieve more granular business goals and unlock additional control.